Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Lian O11 Vision Black, a case that's been generating a lot of buzz in the PC building community, and for good reason. This isn't just another enclosure. It's a statement piece that blends form and function in a way that few cases can match. The first thing that grabs your attention is the seamless panoramic view. Lian has gone all in on glass, featuring 3 frameless panels that offer an unobstructed look at your components. This design choice isn't just about aesthetics. It's about showcasing the hardware you've carefully selected and assembled. Whether you're rocking a custom water cooling loop or just want to admire your RGB lit components, the O11 Vision provides the perfect canvas. But the O11 Vision is more than just a pretty face. Lian has a reputation for building cases that are easy to work with, and this one is no exception. The modular panels make assembly and maintenance a breeze. You can easily remove and reattach panels to access different areas of the case, which is a huge time saver when you're swapping out components or cleaning dust. The dual-chamber layout is another standout feature. This design separates the motherboard and primary components from the power supply and storage drives, which not only improves airflow, but also makes cable management much easier. The result is a cleaner, more organized build that looks great and performs even better. No more struggling to hide cables or worrying about airflow restrictions. The O11 Vision supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini IDX motherboards, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of builds. The bottom-mounted power supply design is standard, but it's executed well, with plenty of room for even the largest PSUs. And with its focus on water cooling, the case offers ample space for radiators and reservoirs, allowing you to create a truly custom cooling solution. The all-black color scheme gives the O11 Vision a sleek, understated look that will complement any setup. The use of high-quality glass and materials further enhances the premium feel of the case. This is a case that feels as good as it looks. Of course, no case is perfect. The all-glass design means that fingerprints and dust can be more visible, so you'll need to be prepared to clean it regularly. And while the dual-chamber layout helps with cable management, it can also make the case a bit larger than some other mid-tower options. Overall, the Lian O11 Vision Black is an exceptional case that's sure to impress. Its stunning aesthetics, user-friendly design, and versatile layout make it a top choice for anyone looking to build a high-end PC. If you're willing to invest in a premium case that will showcase your components and style, the O11 Vision is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.